Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be learning how to play King of Tokyo, where monsters roll dice and wreak havoc to claim the city's throne. To set up, place a square board in the middle of the table. Players pick the monster of their choice, place it in front of them, and take the corresponding monster board. Set the life points to 10 and the victory points to 0. Shuffle the cards to form a deck and deal the first 3 cards face up next to the board. Put the 6 black dice next to the board and set aside the green dice. You'll also put the green cubes called energy cubes on the side. And we're ready to play. Each turn consists of 4 turns. The first player will start by rolling the dice. In this game, the dice are quite unique. They either have victory points, 1, 2 or 3, energy, attack, health. Roll all 6 dice at the same time and put those that you want to keep on the side. For example, it is not bad to keep these 2 2s. We will then re-roll the other dice. To make points, you'll need 3 of the same number. So here, we can make 2 points, and with this lightning, you collect 1 energy. Whichever combination you go for, you can only re-roll twice. Let's see how we resolve the dice results if you roll the triple 1s, 2s or 3s. You will score either 1, 2 or 3 victory points. So for example, these trees are worth 3 points, not 9 points. Each additional roll of the same number dice is worth 1 victory point. These 4 3s are worth 4 points and 5 points and a maximum of 6 points. For each energy you have at the end of your roll, collect 1 energy cube. Save them from turn to turn so you can buy cards with them. At the beginning of the game, all the monsters are outside of Tokyo. The first player to deal a claw at the end of their dice roll will deal no damage but will enter Tokyo. Tokyo City and Tokyo Bay are the same in terms of gameplay. In games of 4 or less, only 1 monster can be in Tokyo, while in games of 5 or more players, 2 monsters can be in Tokyo at the same time. Do take note that the first symbols here will allow you to score 1 point when you enter Tokyo, or 2 points if you start your turn in Tokyo. You cannot heal while you're in Tokyo. When you roll a claw dice, you deal damage to the monsters where you're not in. So it's either in Tokyo or outside of Tokyo. For example, if you're in Tokyo, all the monsters outside of Tokyo take that damage. And if you're outside of Tokyo, you damage all the monsters in Tokyo. For each claw received, the monsters will lose 1 heart, which can be brutal in some rounds. If a monster's heart goes to 0, they discard all the cards and energies and will retire from the game immediately. If you are eliminated by an attack on Tokyo, the monsters who attack you automatically takes control of Tokyo and scores 1 point. When you're attacked while in Tokyo, you can decide to yield or leave Tokyo. If you decide to yield, place your monster outside of Tokyo. You will still take the damage and the monster who attacked you immediately enters Tokyo. Let's learn how to heal. You will need to be outside of Tokyo and roll hearts. Each heart allows the monster to heal 1 lost life. You cannot go above 10 hearts unless you have the special card called Even Bigger. If you have enough energy, you can buy cards. This is entirely optional. If you have enough energy, you can purchase any of the 3 face-up cards. You can even buy more than 1 card. The cost of the card is in the upper left corner and is paid in accumulated energy cubes. The card describes what it does and its effect. There are 2 different types of cards. The keep ones, where you will keep until the remainder of the game, and the discard cards you resolve immediately and then discard them. You can also spend 2 energy points to sweep all the shown cards to reveal 3 new cards. You can purchase and sweep in any order you want, as long as you have enough energies to spend. The game proceeds in a clockwise order. The game ends immediately when a player reaches 20 victory points or is the last monster standing. There can be no ties in the King of Tokyo. And that's how you play King of Tokyo. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.